Welcome to the Ship screen, where you can create a shipment in as little as 5 clicks. First, we're going to show you how to create a basic shipment, then we'll show you some of the additional features. When creating your shipment, your sender information will always be pre-populated for you. The recipient's information can be entered multiple ways. You can manually input the details into the required fields, enter the recipient ID, or select from the address book. The ID is a code created by you to quickly identify your recipient. Next, you'll need to provide your shipment details by entering the number of pieces and total weight. Your rates for all available services will generate, allowing you to compare options based on estimated shipping costs and expected delivery date. The selected service will be highlighted in green. To confirm or choose a different option, click the green hand icon. Now that you've provided the basic details for your shipment, click the Ship button to generate your label. If you're set up for automated printing, the labels will be sent directly to your printer. If not, click the label icon to download the shipping label. Once printed, apply a label to each piece of your shipment to prepare it for pickup. Now that you know how to create a basic shipment in 5 clicks, let's explore some of the additional features available in the Ship screen. In the Recipient widget, you can save new contacts during shipment creation or update pre-existing contacts by using the Save Update Address Book toggle. E-alerts can be used to keep everyone informed of the latest shipment events via email notifications. Decide which notifications to send and who to send them to by selecting from the available options. The Billing widget is where you indicate who's paying for the shipment, the sender, recipient, or third party. Rates will display as $0 if anyone other than the sender is selected. If you choose third party, ensure you enter all the relevant third party details. In the Packages widget, if your shipment contains multiple pieces, you can choose to provide the details at the shipment or package level. Providing details at the package level will allow for a more accurate estimated shipping cost. You can use the DIMS code feature to make entering details faster and more consistent. The Additional Info widget allows you to add shipment references, change the ship date, add shipment protection, and shipment instructions. You can use Shipment Options widget to add delivery instructions and select value-added services. Some options, such as Signature Preference, will require more information. When prompted, always ensure to provide the additional details. Use the Save as Default toggle to have your current selections saved for future shipments. After making any changes, click Refresh Rates to update your estimated shipping costs. You can click on the dollar icon to view a detailed breakdown of your charges. If using the Customer Pricing function, the customer dollars will reflect the modified price. When shipping multiple shipments that are similar, you can use the Repeat toggle to repopulate all the details already entered on the screen for quick entry. You're now ready to prepare and ship your next order. As always, if you have any questions, you can contact our technical support team by emailing us or by calling the number shown at the top right of every screen. Thanks for choosing Midland.